Welcome to our YouTube channel. In today's video, we will be discussing the 6 best tools for reverse image search to help you spot fake news. Reverse image search is a powerful technique that allows you to find the original source of an image or verify its authenticity. With the rise of fake news, it has become crucial to fact-check images before sharing them online. The first tool on our list is Google Images. It is a widely used and reliable tool that allows you to upload an image or enter its URL to search for similar images. Google Images also provides additional information about the image, such as its source and related websites. Next up, we have TinEye. This tool specializes in reverse image search and has a vast database of indexed images. TinEye is known for its accuracy and can help you find the original source of an image even if it has been modified or cropped. Another great tool is Yandex Images. Yandex is a Russian search engine that offers a reverse image search feature similar to Google Images. It is particularly useful for finding images that may not be indexed by other search engines. For those who prefer a browser extension, we recommend using RevEye. This extension is available for Chrome and Firefox and allows you to perform reverse image searches directly from your browser. It is a convenient tool for quick fact-checking while browsing the web. If you are looking for a mobile app, then Veracity is a fantastic choice. Available for both iOS and Android, Veracity allows you to perform reverse image searches on your smartphone. It also provides additional features like image editing and metadata analysis. Last but not least, we have Bing Image Search. While not as popular as Google Images, Bing offers a reliable reverse image search feature. It is worth trying if you are looking for alternative search results. In conclusion, these 6 tools for reverse image search can be invaluable in helping you spot fake news. Remember to always fact-check images before sharing them online to ensure the accuracy of the information you are spreading. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more informative content. Thank you for watching.